Yeah.
is a setup that would have been fairly typical around 1896. Okay? The basic elements are an induction coil invented by Nicholas Callan over in Maynooth in 1836, a Reiki oscillator, spark gaps, invented by Professor Reiki about 1890 in Bologna. Incidentally, he was a tutor to Marconi. And here we have the standard Morse key from the old telegraph. So what we're going to do is we're going to produce some sparks.
Okay.
And this is going to radiate some electromagnetic radiation. It's going to be picked up by this receiver down here, which we'll see in a moment. And this is very typical of the stuff that was shown and evaluated in 1896. Here are post office engineers in 1896 evaluating Marconi stuff. Induction coil, Reiki oscillator, and here's the receiver bit.
Okay.
Okay?
And this plate up here is...
This is just to replicate a reenactment that was done by this guy here, Marconi's assistant, using the original equipment. He did this reenactment sometime in the late 30s.
Okay.
So we've got pretty much the same setup here: the oscillator, the induction coil, and the Morse key.
The Morse key, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great.
So we have a rudimentary aerial here, as indeed he had here, and we're going to transmit some signals down to this receiver here.
And why were they using a flat antenna at that time, or is it was it before?
Just for convenience.
Convenience. Okay. Okay, that's great.
Now, so down here,
Yeah.
what we have is a receiver based around a coherer,
Okay.
and I'll talk about the coherer in a minute. This is a Morse inker or printer, which prints the Morse code because that's what we're sending. And what we have out at the end here is a Morse sounder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go back there and send a very short Morse code message. One that everybody probably knows is short messaging service, SMS.
Okay. Yeah.
DDD, da da, DDD.
Okay.
I would see if we hear it up here. So here we go. You can see the sparks there if you don't go too close because it'll probably erase the video. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, so and I'll go down here then and receive.
You
Yeah.
can see the receiver,
Okay, so that's the antenna.
the antenna down to
And down into the coherer. Yeah.
Okay?
Great.
So now you're getting
Brilliant.
and you have it coming out in the Morse sounder here at the end.
Great.
This is the one that had on the old wired telegraph. And in fact, instead of reading the tape, people would just decode it by their ear.
By the ear. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you want to talk me through the antenna? So the antenna down to the coherer.
The coherer. Now the coherer is a funny device.
Yeah.
It's a glass tube with
Yeah.
2 electrodes in it.
Yeah.
And in the middle there you might just see a little dark line
Yeah.
right in the middle. That consists of very, very fine metal filings.
Okay.
This particular one is one based on Marconi's, which was 95% nickel, 5% silver.
Okay.
When it detects an electromagnetic wave, its resistance drops. We then use that to close this relay, which is a very old post office relay.
This one here,
This
yeah.
brass one here.
Yeah.
And if you look down on top there, you can see the actual connections of the relay.
And GPO.
Yeah,
reference
GPO.
marked on it. Yeah.
And that then operates this little buzzer mechanism,
Yeah.
and the hammer comes up and taps the coherer, and puts it back to its original state.
Reset it almost.
Reset it, it's ready
Yeah.
for the next bit of code.
Next bit information. Okay, I see. And the coherer then conducts.
Again, and
To-
the whole
to-
cycle,
to-
the whole cycle
repeats.
repeats.
I see.
And at the end of it, we have this Morse sounder.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just give you a few more points.
Perfect. Yeah. And if I zoom in on the coherer, will I see visually see the filings change state? No.
you won't.
No.
No,
No.
You
There's-
just see the little hammer hitting it.
Okay. Yeah. To reset it. Yeah. Okay.
The Microsoft Xbox. Oh, Frank, how's it going? David, this is the original of the species.
So you're just inking the.
The little well here.
There's a little well down there. Okay.
And of course the camera's in the way, I can't see the
Sorry.
light.
Sorry.
No. Okay.
Great. Okay. Super.
Now we'll see if we can get something out of that.
Yeah.
A little well. Into the ink well, no less. I'll leave it there because I need to rinse it out. Okay, let's just see if we're
Yeah. When you're ready, I can switch on the. Pull the lever over.
okay, I'll just give it a couple of.
Oh yeah. Do yeah. Just yeah. Okay.
Transmitting the message over there and then here, in here.
Perfect. Yeah. It's working great. Yeah. Perfect. That's fantastic.
The paper and it has